Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel where you can always get the easiest beauty tips, tricks and tutorials. This week I'm sharing this easy to install, beautiful, playful wig. If you would like to see some more, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I have more great tips, tricks and beauty tutorials. Let's get social. Check me out on Instagram. So this beauty is called Rule Breaker and it's in color number 2. It is a textured half wig that you can get in various coil styles, or should I say coil patterns. It's available in the curl pattern of a 3B to a 3C, a coil pattern of a 3C to a 4A, or a kinky pattern of a 4B to a 4C. As you can see, it's very full, it's beautiful, it looks great on her and it'll look great on you. It comes in a lot of different color options, which is great so that you can, whichever one you're feeling, you can try. It can take heat between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, just in case. And there are great tips and tricks on the inside on how to install and different styling ideas. So definitely check that out. Alright ladies, let's get started. So now I'm just pinning my hair up. I did not cornrow it or keyrow it because I did a wash day and I really didn't want to put it in keyrow, so I just have it like in some braids that I just pinned up so that if I want to change my hairstyle whenever I want, I can. And I'm just taking some gel and I am placing it along my edges so that I can layer my edges and do my little baby hair, which gives it a more natural look and it's cute, of course. So I'm just doing that, taking my brush and swinging it into the direction that I want it to go, that matches and suits my hairline. So you can definitely do that if you choose to, or you don't have to if you wanted to just have a more natural look. Now I'm just wrapping it so that I can set my edges and give it time to dry and lay flat. So I'm gonna leave that for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I love putting this extra band over. It's actually a wig band that prevents your wigs from sliding because it just gives it that extra little tension. And now I'm unwrapping it. Looks great. So now I'm just pulling out a little bit of the hair that I want to be at the front to blend back in with the half wig, just to give it a more seamless, natural look to the front there. I'm putting on my wig stocking and placing it exactly where I want the wig combs to fit underneath the wig cap. Positioning it exactly where I need it to be. So this wig, I've actually worn it 5 times. This is the 5th time I'll be putting it on, which I'm glad I did so I can give you a more honest and true review. The curls are tighter when you first take it out of the packaging, so I did comb it out a bit because I wanted it to be a bit more wild, if you want to say it like that. And I'm just freshening it up with a wig spray to give it a more shiny look, because it does look a bit dry there, but I also think that the dry look gives it a more natural look as well, so I don't spray too much. There's not a lot of shedding. It's so easy to comb through with your fingers. So let's go over these combs. So it has one large comb to the front and then there's a smaller comb to the back. There are adjustment straps, one on each side, so you can adjust it depending on the hairstyle you're doing. It's lace on the inside so you get some breathing for your hair and for your scalp. And then they put the hair on the inside of the cap there, which definitely helps to give a very natural look when you put it on. That helps it blend with your hair really, really well. So now I'm putting on my wig band so that my wig doesn't slide, because the front of my hair is like really smooth and sometimes I experience it slipping. So we don't want that. And it definitely helps secure it really well. And look at that, bang, like I didn't even do anything yet. I haven't even put the comb in yet and it looks great already. So now I'm just going to be fluffing and shaping it. Look at it, it's beautiful. I'm like so excited. So I gotta pull back out that hair to the front, of course, to blend in. And now I'm placing the comb underneath the wig band and wig cap to secure it. And I'm just gonna brush my hair in there and blend it. Really doesn't take that much work. It's really easy, so fast. It's a great wig for when you're in a rush, you don't have a lot of time to get ready. It's perfect. So now I'm just going to be shaping, fluffing. I'm going to do some trimming. I'm going to spray it some more to add that moisture where I want it to. And now I'm just like literally just placing the curls how I want them to fall. Obviously it's not going to stay like that because the wind is going to blow it, but it's so beautiful. I love this wig. It looks great. It looks natural. It's easy to do, easy to install. Anyone. It's great for beginners and it's great for anyone that has experience. So I'm trimming the wig and I'm making sure to do it at an angle. So I'm taking off all that little extra loose curls, the curls that don't have any shape anymore that I don't want. Make sure you trim it at an angle from the top coming down, because if you don't and you trim it straight across, you're going to end up with blunt edges and a really weird shape. All right? And you just do that and you shape it until you get the look that you want. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I love it so much. It is so easy to install. This is one of my favorite wigs now. It's one of my go-to wigs when I have to get ready in a hurry. And it takes no time. Look fabulous in 5 minutes. The hairline is seamless, so it's gonna look like yours. If you would like to purchase this wig, I will have the details in the description below. Also guys, don't forget to check out my video on my makeup and look out for next week's video. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye guys.